Hi everyone! Welcome back to Life After Neverland. So the first part of this daily life series was getting our life back, creating New Year's resolutions, and feeling good about ourselves in the new year. We first started off with cooking, and now we're going to declutter. So if you're like me and your house seems to overwhelm you and you don't even know where to begin, well then this is the vlog for you. So what I'm going to do is create new habits, and maybe you can create those new habits with me right this second. So the first thing I'm going to do is take it one step at a time. The second thing I'm going to do is pick a room in my house that is the least overwhelming. The third thing that I'm going to do is make a list of what I need to accomplish in that room and check it off so I can physically see what I have done and actually feel good about it. It's up to you guys if you want to take 3 bins, one for recycling, one for donations, and what was the other one? Oh, trash. Throw it in the trash. Okay, that is completely up to you. I think that I might try to do that too. What the heck? Let's do it. We're going to get started, but before we do, you guys, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Okay? We have many other things that we do on Life After Neverland. We do TV vlogs. We have a fur baby on Friday. Okay? Not every Friday, but we have a lot of fur baby Fridays if you love animals like I do. And then we also do travel and challenges. Me and my husband, we like to have a good time. So check out our other vlogs, and in the meantime, start cleaning with me. Okay? All right, here we go. Now, if you're anything like me, I did make a list, as you can see, but I tend to derail off my list and go on to other things like deep cleaning or crafting and making things look pretty and nice and decorating. Make sure that you stay on task. So, ew, disgusting, but it has to get clean. I lined the cupboard as well as the drawers in advance right before I decluttered. I'll show you everything they did at the end, but I ended up going off of my list and doing a little bit of deep cleaning as well as decor. But you know what? The end result ended up making me really happy. Although I've created extra space for myself, I don't feel like I utilized it as wonderfully as I possibly could. So even though I'm reorganizing again and again and again, I think it's time for me to step back and continue on with my tasks and revisit this again at another time. So as I'm looking through these cupboards and drawers, I'm realizing that they're filthy, number 1, and number 2, there is no rhyme or reason to any of this. How did I ever find anything in the first place? Feeling a little bit over it. Okay, so here's some chapstick. I have so many. These are the ones that I'm donating. So I found these cute little heart bins at the dollar store. I'm putting my dark eyeshadows in one bin and my light eyeshadows in another. The only thing is I still have way too many eyeshadows. I'm just gonna throw them away because some of them are half used and some of them are poor quality eyeshadows. Our little senior cat Boo Boo is hanging out with me and helping me do my work. All right, project complete. So I'm going to take you here on a tour. So I finally got this cupboard all put together. I actually put some stuff in it for a change. And I put some inspirational messages on the inside of the doors so I can feel positive about my day. Clutter causes anxiety in a lot of people, and I know that I tend to be one of those people that it just makes it difficult for me to relax. It distracts us from getting the things done that we need to get done because we're kind of all over the place. And it just creates that overwhelm that I'm trying to discard in my life right now. My very first drawer here, I have all of my hair products. And in this next drawer here, I have all of my chapsticks, brushes that I don't use anymore, my lip liners. I use my little heart bin to put my lipsticks in. Now this looks a little unorganized, but I just have everything in a bag. So I have this little mascara case, eyelashes, which I never use, maybe on a hot date, dark eyeshadows, highlighters, blushes, and my bronzers. And then you have the light eyeshadows. Now in this drawer, I actually have hair extension that I haven't used in about a year, and the backs of my earrings. I always lose those. Then my blow dryer and my favorite curling irons. Q-tips, the extra ones that I need, and that pink box is cotton swabs. And in here is basically just beauty stuff. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you subscribe. Stay tuned, you guys. Have a blessed day.